Sino ba dapat nag-file ng annual income tax return?
Well, Joey, sa tax code natin, kinaklasify yung nagpa-file into two. Individuals saka non-individuals.
Tax or mayroon bang mga iba na hindi nag-file?
Actually, hindi. Yung tax code naman natin nag-provide kung sino yung mga exempted from filing the income tax return.
Sino ba dapat mag-file ng income tax return?
Well, Jom, for individuals, estates, and trusts, the deadline for the filing of the annual income tax return is...
Paano ba mag-compute ng ating annual income tax due?
Well, yes, Jomi, the basic formula on how to derive your annual income tax due.
Ready ka na ba sa part 2? If ready ka na, watch this.
Get ready for the PodTax with RDO 103, your dose of tax knowledge straight from the source. Our team of reliable reviewers at Revenue District Office 103 are here to guide you through the complexities of taxation. In every session, we'll explore essential tax topics, answer common questions, and give you actionable tips to simplify the process. At RDO 103, we believe understanding taxes doesn't have to be complicated.
So, ngayon, alam na natin na the computation is meron tayong graduated tax table, tapos meron din tayong 8%. Ngayon, Sir Hans, saan naman natin ilalagay itong mga information? Anong forms ba yung ginagamit natin para sa income tax?
Okay, Jamie. So, dito na tayo ngayon sa tax returns. Ito yung mga forms na pwedeng gamitin ng ating mga taxpayers kung magka-file sila ng kanilang mga income tax returns. For individuals, may tatlong forms tayo na pwedeng gamitin. Yung 1700, this is for those yung nag-earn ng purely compensation lang. 1701 naman for individuals, estate, and trust. Then yung 1701A for those earning purely from business or practice of profession. Then for non-individuals naman, may tatlong returns din tayo na pwedeng gamitin. Una is yung 1702 RT. Ito yung pag-subject lang sila sa regularly income tax rate, which is 20 or 25%. Then 1702 EX for those corporations, associations, or cooperatives that are exempt from payment of income tax. Then last is yung 1702 MX. These are those corporations, associations, partnership na may mga income na hindi lang subject sa regular tax but also from preferential tax rates. So, yun yung 6 na forms na pwede nilang gamitin in case kung ano lang yung applicable sa kanila. But besides those forms, required din silang mag-attach ng mga information return. For individuals, meron tayong 1701 AIF. These are the account information form for self-employed individuals, estates, and trusts, including those with mixed income and states and trusts. Now, pursuant sa ating train law or RA 10963, in lieu of the 1701 AIF, yung mga taxpayers natin, individual taxpayers that are earning more than 3 million a year, instead na ito yung i-attach nila, is mag-attach lang sila ng audited financial statement. Pero dapat is-certify ito ng independent CPA. Okay. For corporations naman, meron naman tayong annual Account Information Form 1702 AIF. Kasama dito yung mga Certificate of Tax Withheld at Source, BIR Form 2307, Certificate of Tax Withheld, Summary of Alpha Lease of Withholding Taxes, Statement of Management Responsibility, Financial Statements, Notes to Financial Statements, Certificate of Independent CPA duly accredited by the BIR, and Proof of Prior Years Excess Credit. Remind lang natin na dapat yung mga financial statement na ina-attach nila sa income tax return dapat duly certified by a CPA na dapat din accredited by the BIR.
So, ngayon alam na natin kung saan natin ilalagay yung mga information, kung anong return ang gagamitin. Pero, ngayon na meron na tayong return, ang tanong naman, Ma'am Chris, is where will we file and pay?
Yes, John. Well, under the EOPT, or what we call the Ease of Paying Taxes Act, taxpayers are required to file all returns electronically in any of the available platforms. We have the EBIR, Mada-download nyo yan through our website, and we also have the EFPS online facility. So, taxpayers shall ensure that returns are filed online. Okay, so in-emphasize talaga yan ng EOPT na dapat lahat ng returns is mapafile online. So, taxpayer must secure the tax return receipt confirmation sent to the email addresses provided upon filing as proof na successful yung online filing nila, no? So, they will file through EBIR or EFPS and then make it sure na makaka-receive sila ng tax confirmation, meaning successful na yung filing nila. So, pag ang confirmation sa email is delayed, do not file another return unless it is an amended return, no? So, klaro yan. Pag hindi pa ninyo na-receive yung email confirmation, hindi tayo magpa-file ng another return. So, we will wait for it. If wala talagang solution with that, pwede kayong pumunta sa ating RDO office. And then, filing of multiple returns for the same taxes will require payment of each filed return. So, for the payment of the annual income tax return, the taxpayers have the option to pay manually or electronically. So, when we said manual, pwede silang pumunta to any authorized agent banks for any amount, whether cash or check payments. Electronic payment channels is available such as LinkBiz. We also have the
Paymaya.
Paymaya.
Yes.
Yes, pwede.
Tapos, actually, meron rin yan. If you visit the BIR website, under e-services, there is something na nakasulat doon, ePay. ePay. So, under ePay, we can see different payment options online. And para sa sinabi ni Ma'am Chris, we have the LinkBiz, we have Paymaya, and there's also what we call MyEG, which is another payment channel rin. So, if you have time, please check it out. Okay, so now we know nga na kung saan tayo magfa-file ng returns natin and where and when to pay our taxes. Ang question is, mga tao lang kasi tayo and sometimes we make mistakes. And kung may mistakes sa computation natin, Ma'am Chris, ano pwede natin gawing remedy para doon?
Okay, so if there are corrections on your return, you can file an amended return. There is no prescription sa period on when to file the amended return as long as yung original is na-file mo on time. So if hindi mo siya na-file on time, we will be imposing penalties such as surcharge, interest, and compromise penalty. And also, once you file the amended return and it makikita natin na meron pa palang tax due, no? Meron pa tayong still na babayaran, we will be imposing penalties for that, which is only the interest and compromise penalty. And the taxpayer, if na-issuehan siya ng letter of authority, he can no longer file an amended return.
I see. So, pwede pa natin matama ang ating mga mali.
Of course naman. Yes, the second answer.
So, are there any important reminders para sa atong mga viewers, sa atong mga taxpayers?
May important reminder lang kami, that is to ensure accurate filing. Di ba na-mention naman kanina ni Ma'am Christina, pag magpas kayo before the deadline, kakaroon kayo ng penalties. Then, according din dito sa ating tax code, dapat lahat ng information na nasa inyo ang mga tax returns ay accurate din. All tax returns must be filed containing accurate information, especially on the TIN, branch code, return period, tax type, and tax due. Failure to supply correct information is subject to penalties under Section 255 of the National Internal Revenue Code and could lead to the non-posting of your tax compliance in the BIR system. Error handling by the BIR to correct and properly post your tax filings and payments in the BIR system will only commence after the applicable penalties have been fully paid. So, it's clear naman na bago nyo i-file, isubmit yung mga taxes nyo online, make sure to check every detail na nandun sa tax returns nyo. If okay na kayo, if everything is in proper order na, then you can submit it online.
Easy. Ayun. So, ganun nga mga taxpayers natin, no, na please review your returns before ninyo i-file online para there are no problems and smooth ang ating transaction and our compliances. So, Okay, so thank you very much, Sir Hans. Thank you very much, Ma'am Chris, sa time sa pag-discuss sa ating annual income tax return. And also, thank you sa ating mga viewers who took their time to learn and to understand kung ano yung annual income tax return and what it means for the government to pay these taxes. So, if you have any questions regarding this topic, we urge you to comment down below and we will answer it on the next episode. And for more updates on new issuances and activities of the Bureau, please follow, like, and subscribe our social media pages. So before we end, we have a short message for you.
Pay as you file. Pay your exact 2024 annual income tax on the day of filing your return. File and pay on or before April 15, 2025. Tandaan, ang buwis na dapat, tagumpay nating lahat.
Bye!
Stay tuned for our next upload. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Got questions or topics? Let us know in the messages or comments below.